Hey everybody, this is the Reverend Dr. Ianello from the North Isle Wellness Center of Hope, again coming at you with some more information regarding women's health for May of 2019. On Thursday, May 16th at 7 p.m., a friend of mine and our office thermographer, Patricia Liccardi, will be in to do a workshop on thermography, its origination, why it works so well, and how it can help women to look for problems with either their breast health or any other area in their bodies. And it's also for men too, if you want to check your body out. Quick story about thermography. We incorporated thermography about 4 years ago into the practice, and what we were finding is that when you use thermography, you can find underlying causes of problems. A quick example is we had one of our patients who had had 7 breast biopsies in 7 years for the same problem in her left breast that kept coming back. We ran a thermography on her, and sure enough, when we looked at the sinuses and the mouth, we could see that there was an infection in the left side of one of her teeth, that through thermography we could see the drainage channel, and it was draining toxicity right into her left breast. So all these years the doctors were treating the breast, but it turned out once we treated the underlying infection using nutrition, her body cleansed the toxins out of the tooth area, and it drained all the toxicity right out of her breast, and within 2 weeks her breast lump was gone. So we avoided an 8th biopsy. These are examples that we have every day in here. So for you ladies out there that have not yet investigated thermography, understand that it's radiation free, it's touch free, it's completely non-invasive, and it actually can predict precancerous changes in cells 10 years before a cancer tumor would even grow. So this is today's technology of the future here. We invite you again to come to our lecture on Thursday, May 16th at 7 o'clock. Now following that, the following Wednesday on May 22nd, Patricia Liccardi will be here all day doing thermography screenings for our patients. We're one of the few areas in Suffolk County that actually offers certified thermography screenings with Patricia. It is by appointment only, and I can tell you, if you come to our workshop on Thursday, May 16th, as a gift from myself to you, we're going to give you a $50 discount on any thermography services that you use. So we invite you to come. Look forward to bringing you here to teach you more about how you can help yourselves and prevent illness and disease. I look forward to seeing you all then. Stay well, and happy Mother's Day. Take care. Bye.